This video follows a seasoned fixer who shares practical, budget-minded repair steps for smartphones, laptops, and other devices. It teaches viewers to diagnose problems quickly, estimate part costs accurately, and choose safe, reversible fixes first. The guide covers essential tools, safety routines, and cost-saving tricks that prevent expensive mistakes and frustration. Each tip leads to small wins, such as cleaning connectors, reseating batteries, and verifying power before full reassembly. By embracing DIY repairs, audiences save money, extend device lifespans, and gain confidence to tackle tougher projects tomorrow.